Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. We're tracking a second disturbance is going to move across our state today, and that's going to keep those rain chances in play through the day before we dry things out finally ahead of the weekend. But that rain certainly was beneficial yesterday, just over 1/4 of an inch at Phoenix Sky Harbor, just as expected. As we go through the morning, you can expect the bulk of the rain to shift to our southeast with just a lingering chance for spotty showers through the afternoon and into early evening with that second disturbance moving through. Then drier air sets in, we dry things out. Tomorrow we'll be tracking a disturbance to our south that's going to boost moisture across southeast Arizona, and with that increase in moisture to our southeast, you can expect some rain chances there Friday. So in spots like Tucson and that southeastern pocket of our state, more clouds here in the valley, but no rain for us tomorrow, and then dry again this weekend. So today, spotty showers are still possible. A 30% chance very early this morning, a 20% chance through the afternoon, a 10% chance into the early evening, and then clearing those rain chances out tonight. Again, you see the bulk of the rain shifting into southeast Arizona today. We'll stay stuck under that cloud cover though, and again, we could see a few scattered showers going into the afternoon, early evening, an isolated threat, and then drier by tonight. Temperatures today still cool. Highs will only make it into the mid-60s across the valley, so a bit of a cool to chilly day, and with those clouds around, again, maybe sweater weather as you go through your day today. Low 70s, still mostly cloudy tomorrow. Then the sunshine is back this weekend with highs warming into the mid-70s. Another disturbance moves by on Monday. It brings more breezes, but it's going to be dry. Temperatures, though, will cool off upper 60s Tuesday and Wednesday.